So guys, just going to take you through my coffee and how we do our coffee here. So I got my coffee beans in the bag, throw them in the top of the grinder, throw the handle on, grind away. Once they're ground, I use the AeroPress. Pretty easy device. Have the bottom on, it's got a stainless steel filter in there. Just throw it on your cup. Throw your coffee in. And then when the kettle's boiled, just fill it with water. Kimmy's got her little pour over. Throw the coffee beans in there once they're ground. Put the top on. Pour the water in. Pours over the coffee and filters through. Drips into the cup. So the boys have want a coffee themselves. So they just do an iced coffee. So just after I've done my AeroPress, I'll put their coffee in here and give them a bit of drops of coffee into their milk. Put that away, please. So I just had black coffee. I don't believe in putting milk into coffee. I think that ruins it. And if you do that, stop. So just get my boiling water. Pour it into my press. Little stir. Top of the press. And just press it down. There you are. Top it up. One good black cup of liquid gold. Now that's a good coffee. So then the good thing about the AeroPress, so easy to clean this thing. Just take the top off. Stainless filter, just give it a wipe and then push on the plunger. There's all your coffee beans, so I just throw them straight in the bin. Then you just have a bit of coffee on the top, just give that a wipe, put that on my ice cream. Kidding, I don't eat ice cream, just coffee beans. There you go. It's ready for the next one.